The first thing that we're going to do is open up to iPlan. So if you type that into the navigation bar, iplan.byu-i.edu, and it will take you to a login page. And it'll ask for some of your credentials. When you do log in, it'll open up to this page. So if you go to the top of your screen along that black bar and look for tutoring, that will take you to the pages that we're going to be exploring today. The first service is the quizzes that are available through the Academic Support Center. So if you click on that, what will happen is it will take you up to a page that has your classes available. These courses here are the ones that I'm taking, Econ 150, Econ 151. If on your screen something is different, don't panic. That's just the classes that you are in. Some of those courses that you're currently enrolled in may not have quizzes available online, but some of the general classes are available online. And so if you scroll down, it'll take you to what the Tutoring Center has available. Here on the landing page is just a list of some of the quizzes that are available and frequently taken. Some of the options to navigate your way through these quizzes. You have a search bar up here, and so you can either search by a specific quiz that you're after or by a course. You don't have to be enrolled in that specific course in order for it to be available to you. For example, English 106 is available, and so there are different quizzes on apostrophes, capitalization. When you do click it, this option might appear, and so if this bar does come up, click on the options button in the top right hand corner and allow pop-ups for iplan.byu-i.edu. It'll take you to the quiz, and so you can start the quiz. So each student's note should be neat, and you go through and you can eventually take the course. At the end of when you're on the last question, so you can submit the quiz for evaluation. So this is the assessment page on how many questions you got right and how many questions you got wrong. If you click on solution down at the bottom, it'll take you through each specific question and highlight which answer you chose and the correct answer so that you can figure out what you did right and what you did wrong. Another service we have available is videos that can help you with frequently asked questions for particular courses or even some general questions about academic learning. And so if you click on the purple box, once again, it'll take you to the page with your courses that you're currently enrolled in. Once again, some videos might not be available for your specific course, but if you scroll down, you can select which center you would like to learn more about. And so for now, we're going to click on the Tutoring Center and see what videos they have available. You'll see a similar format to the quizzes option. Down here, you have the box which says all videos, and this basically is just a list of every video that's available through this service. And so the more you scroll down, the more videos will appear, as there is quite a bit. And so what we can do is we can search by a specific course, once again, and we can type in Computer Science 124. The results of your search will appear in the all videos box. You got to scroll down for them, and you can click on a video and begin to watch.
This video will describe the different components or parts of the CS124.
So it's important to note a few of the options here. This button will take you to full screen. This option will either slow it down or speed it up, and this can be handy, especially if you want to take notes. The next option available is book an appointment for a tutor. And so that's the middle option here in the green box. So if you click on that, it'll once again take you to a page that'll show the classes that you are currently enrolled in. And so if I were to click on Econ 151, it'll take me to this page. And so if I were to click on the Tutoring Center, it'll load up the page which takes me to a schedule, and it'll show me the availabilities for different tutors at the Tutoring Center. So if you click on one, on the time that you're available, what it does, it'll show you the date that you have selected, the time that you have selected as well, because each of those squares represents a time, and then it'll also show you the contact details of the tutor and the location that you'll be meeting at. In this box here with the reason, with the asterisk next to it, you can type in a specific topic that you would like to discuss and then just create an appointment. Just click on it at the bottom. Once you create an appointment, you'll receive a confirmation email. If you're an online student, your tutor will contact you directly and give you instruction on how to connect with them. The next option we're going to show you is the math chat, which allows you to actually talk with the tutor live about specific questions you may have relating to math. And so if you open up your browser, go to Google, and if you search BYU-I online tutoring, just the first option will take you to this page. So right here on this line, so you just click on this page, which is a link that'll take you here. Listed below, it's important to note, especially if you're overseas, just the time difference. So these are the times that a tutor is available. So just make sure that you are signing in during those hours. But what you can do is you can just type in your name. It gives you the option to select a specific math course that you have a question about, and then you can type in a question that you have. And then you can start a chat. So his response was, "Welcome to the Online Math Tutor Center. How can I help you, Bob?" And so we can have a live conversation with somebody that can help you answer any question that you have pertaining to your math homework, or any question pertaining to math in general. Another interesting feature is that you can email the transcript here. So if there is something important that you feel the tutor had said, so if you click on that option, it'll bring up another tab and an empty box where you can write your email address. So the next feature that we have for you is some tutorial videos on study skills. And so once again, if you open up your browser, go to Google, and the search this time will be BYU-I study skill lessons. So just the first option here. When you do click on it, it'll take you to this page. Like the title says, it's study skills videos. The videos are divided into segments with an overall arcing theme. So this first one here is about time management. The next one is about review strategies. These are examples of best student practices, things that other students have found helpful and that they're passing on that knowledge to you. Even suggestions on what to do to get the most out of class while you're in there. In contrast to these study skills videos, there are more in-depth videos which are mini lessons. And so these ones, as you can see, are longer in their times, but these lessons go in more depth and incorporate more of those ideas rather than a single concept. And there are a range of videos to choose from. And so this video here is 12 minutes on how to improve your memorization. It will go through different techniques on what you can do to help your mind memorize information.
Every day.
The English Conversation Lab is for those looking for ways to improve their English speaking skills. All you have to do is open up your web browser, go to Google, type in BYU-I volunteer opportunities. As you can see, it probably just comes up right away. And so it'll be the first option here for volunteer opportunities. It'll take you to this page, and you just have to scroll down. This will be a fourth box down. It talks about the English Conversation Lab. And so if you click on the button to learn more, it'll take you here. What this is, it basically tells you the setup as to how the English Conversation Lab works. And so it uses online video call systems, so like Adobe Connect or Google Hangout. And it's for those who are looking to practice their English conversation skills. The service is mainly catered toward those who are international students and who are learning to speak English. And so this email address is what's important. Email the English Conversation Lab, and they will send you the details on how to connect with them and the times that they are available.